Hey guys, it's me from It's Me's Math Lab. Today we'll make some delicious baklava. Let's get to it. Okay, so now let's start by cutting our phyllo dough the size of our pan. Now that it's cut, you'll want to melt this much of butter. When your butter is melted, you want to take one sheet of phyllo dough, put it on, take this brush, put it in the oil, in the butter, and brush it on. Now that you did this once, you want to take again some phyllo dough, and you need to do this process 11 times. So put it on and put more butter on top. Now that you have your 11 layers done, you need to have this 500-gram mix with almonds, walnuts, and pistachios. I just had some around, so there's not exactly quantities for how much of every type, but in the grand total needs to be 500 grams. What you want to do is take some and just sprinkle them on top and have a nice layer. Now that you have this, you want to take another sheet of phyllo dough. I've already buttered mine because this is like take 2. You want to put it on top, and now spread the butter and put another layer, another sheet, like this. Put your butter try to put the butter a little everywhere. It's gonna act a little like glue. And then that you did 2 other layers, you want to put more nuts. Now I have my other coat, and repeat this process multiple times. You'll want to start doing your last layers when you have just enough nuts to put all over for the last thing. So now what I'm going to do, because I don't have that much left, I'm going to do maybe 5-6 layers, one on top of the other, and putting butter on each side, on each layer. And now on your last layer, you'll want to put more butter, like this has a nice golden crust. Now that you did your last layer, you want to preheat your oven at 180 degrees and leave it for about 30-40 minutes or until it has a nice color. Oh yeah, and cut the baklava in pieces before putting it in the oven. I forgot to do that, but it's okay. Now that that's in the oven, let's put 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar, and half a cup of, now mix it up a little and put it on the stove until it needs to be a little thick, but not too much. Now that it's out, let it sit for a few minutes. Now I let it sit for a while, and it's still hot, but not burning. So I cut it up now. You had to do it before, as I said, but I forgot. So now what we're gonna do is take a little bit of our nut mixture and put some on each little square, a little just for aesthetics. Now that we did this, let's put the glaze on top. So this is the glaze we made, and now what we want to do is pour it all over it. And now you let it sit for a while. Let's go. It is delicious. Try it. That was good. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, remember to like and subscribe. Subscribe even if you don't like the video, because it's cooler to say I have 27 subscribers than 26. If you try it, remember to tell me in the comments below. Have a great day.